Hi everyone, Miss Sola here. I hope that you guys had a nice holiday season and Happy New Year. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and for watching our videos. And I hope that you guys are enjoying them. Here is a fun and simple craft that you can do with your kids. We're going to be making dinosaur terrariums. They are so fun to make. So I hope that you guys give it a try and I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much everyone and have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. To make your dinosaur terrariums, all you need is some containers. You can use plastic, glass, some dried moss, and some plants. These are all dried plants. If you want, you can use air plants as well as succulent plants if you want to do that. But we're going to keep this simple, and I'm just going to use some sand, rocks, and some dried plants. In this terrarium, I'm going to be putting some dried moss as my base. So it looks like grass. You can put some dried plants in there for the backdrop. This is a geode that was cracked in half. So you can put all sorts of different things in there. And you can make it fun for your kids. Have them put different stuff that they want. Some rocks in here. Some bigger rocks in there too. See how simple that is? And now you can just stick your dinosaur in there. Or dinosaurs. And if you have enough room, you can even put another dinosaur in there. For the next terrarium, I'm going to be using some sand. So let's pour some sand in there in the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and put an air plant in there. I love air plants. These are pretty easy to care for. And again, some dark green moss or dried moss. And since we have some sand in there, I'm going to go ahead and place some seashells. And even some white rocks. Might look kind of neat there. And we'll just place our dinosaur in there. Perfect. Look how neat they turned out. This is such a fun and simple project that you can do with your kids. And this one here, I only used rocks as the base. So if you don't have sand, you can just use rocks or the dried plants. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.